right, get a hammer. We're gonna destroy these.
Really? Oh, this little one's kind of cute. It could be a gravy boat or a wine decanter.
More bongs? Okay, should I be worried?
We're busy here. What do you need?
There's 2 guys here to see you. One says he's a lawyer and the other could use a bath.
So, come to settle?
My client is filing suit against Haddison House Publishing and personally against Joyce Haddison. What's your name?
Taylor, rhymes.
And Taylor Rhymes.
Damn it.
Oh, really?
We have documents that prove Ms. Upton gave him permission to use this image.
That does look like Millie's signature.
Hold this, I gotta pee like a race truck.
Hey, that's a grumpy dude lady. She'll tell you.
Millie, did you give this guy permission to use one of your drawings?
Absolutely not. Hey, you're the bong guy.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, I did.
Anna, I think I figured out a way for us to go to Europe.
You don't have to.
No, listen to this. For a decent price, we could get a 3-day European vacation. Now, granted, 2 of those days are traveling to and from the Lithuanian airport, but if we make all our bus connections and we don't sleep...
Stan, stop. I was disappointed, but I also realize it's important that you stand by your principles.
So you're really okay with us not going to Europe?
No, I'm not okay with it. It's eating me up inside like an angry dog chewing on my stomach. I'm just saying I respect you.
Good to know where we stand.
How did this happen?
I met him at a book signing.
Your Grumpaloo books are awesome. Totally subversive and anti-establishment.
Your hair looks like a bale of hay. How do you get it like that?
Never wash it.
Oh, that sounds easy. Here you go. You are officially a Grumpaloo.
Hey, that's me, far out. Can I put him on my bong?
Put this little fella on all your bongs. Your friend, Millie Upton.
But Millie, on his bongs?
You guys have got to loosen up. I mean, the kids just want to have fun. No, girls just want to have fun. The kids are all right. Either way, they love their bongs.
Are we talking about the same thing?
Yeah. Yeah, you know, the bong and a paddle and ball. You know, bongada, 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 bongada.
No. You're confused.
Yeah, you're way off. Goes fibbida, 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 fibbida.
No, it's not. It's twanky, 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 twanky,
Fibbida,
twanky,
fibbida,
twanky,
fibbida, 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 fibbida.
Okay, knock it off.
Fibbida, bongada.
That is a paddle ball. That is a bong, and it's used for smoking pot. And for the record, a paddle ball goes ga-ding, 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 ga-ding.
I'm sorry I can't take you to Europe right now. But, here.
Is that the pickle jar?
Was the pickle jar. Now, it's our dream jar.
What happened to the pickles?
I threw those out.
That was $9 worth of pickles. How much change did you put in?
52 cents.
So by next year, we should have enough to buy more pickles.
Probably.
Okay, here's the deal. No bongs, but you can use your character for t-shirts.
No deal. We have a signed contract. So unless Millie Upton is declared insane or mentally incompetent...
Why won't this songbag sing? Oh, there's a French fry stuck in it. Must have been when I was in Belgium earlier this morning. It's okay.
Okay. T-shirts it is.
Done.
Okay. I'm off to work.
Whoa, what's your rush? Why don't you stick around, relax a bit? Oh, well, now who could that be?
H is for the happiness.
What she's trying to say is that we've talked and I've agreed to let her give us a holiday. To Europe. The real Europe across the ocean.
But what about it being inappropriate?
The trip is going to be her gift to us, spread out over the next 25 years.
You've amortized our anniversary? That is so romantic.
Yep. The way I see it, you're stuck with me now for at least the next quarter century.
sausage that you made me!
You know where I'm going to keep these tickets? In the snazzy new wallet my wife gave me.
Very nice. And what did you get her?
Oh, not much, just a trip to Europe.
No, that was from Millie.
Oh, yeah. Well, I got you the... Did I buy the hats?
That was Millie, too.
Okay, it's finally done. I've narrowed it down to hate mail, fan mail, crazy fan mail, crazy hate mail, fanatical, foreign language, wrong address, illegible, and some nice letters from kids.
Okay. Give these to Millie. Give these back to Mother Earth.
Well, good news. I went by Buzznuts, and there's no more bongs in the window.
Oh, good.
Now, are you sure you're not worried about him selling these shirts? Because they are really comfortable.
It's just one local head shop, so he sells some idiot a couple shirts.
Are you hungry? We passed a couple of cafes back there.
Those aren't the kind of cafes you're thinking of.
Look! A Grumble flower vase.
Oh, Anna, that's not a vase. That's one of those upright pasta cookers.
Let's get one for Millie. Maybe one for Joyce, too.
Little Missy Grumpaloo wanted to buy a very special present for two of her very special friends. She thought real hard, but didn't know what to get them. So she decided to get them one of everything in the Grumpaloo store. Her friend said, "Oh, Missy, you shouldn't buy us so many presents. It makes us feel embarrassed." Missy didn't want to make her friends feel bad, so she took back all the presents and exchanged them for some super wonderful hats. But her friends didn't seem to like those very much either. So Missy gave them some money and said, "Go buy whatever you think might make you happy and leave me out of it, because some people are hard to please."